8th Standard Political Science, Chapter 4, Local Government. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, Grama Sabha is presided by dash. Answer is the president or the vice president. Second one, the tenure of Grama Panchayat president is dash years. Answer is 5 years. Third one, in Grama Panchayat, one member is elected for dash population. Answer is 400. Fourth one, in Bengaluru urban district, a member is elected for dash population. Answer is 20,000. Fifth one, the total number of city corporations in Karnataka including Bengaluru is dash. Answer is 11. Second main, answer the following questions briefly. First question, what are the functions of local government? The functions of local government are to maintain and protect the panchayat property, to prepare the annual budget of the local body, to undertake health and family welfare programs, to maintain cleanliness and sanitation of the area, to prevent all sorts of pollution and to provide better health facilities, to provide facilities for the distribution of essential commodities like food grains, kerosene, etc., to ensure prompt registration of birth and deaths, to encourage agriculture, animal husbandry, khadi and handicraft industries. These are all the functions of local government. Let's move to second question. Write a note on Grama Panchayat. Grama Panchayats are formed on the basis of population. Village or group of villages with a population between 5,000 and 7,000 form Grama Panchayat. Regions of Uttara Kannada, Dakshina Kannada and Malnad regions form Grama Panchayat only with the population of 2,000. The members of the Grama Panchayat are elected by the adult population of the Panchayat area. One representative for 400 voters is elected. Reservation is provided to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes and women. These are all about Grama Panchayat. Third one, which are the sources of income for the local government? The sources of income for the local government are amount collected through water cess, health cess, education cess, library and reading room cess. Amount collected through building tax, vacant land tax, taxes on business establishments, markets, entertainment houses and advertising bodies. Taxes collected from the tourist spots, rental and lease amount collected on their properties, financial grants from the state government. These are the sources of income for the local government. Fourth one, write a note on functions of urban local bodies. The functions of urban local bodies are to prepare the budget and get the approval of the council, to look after the overall administration of the town or city, to prepare a good town planning system and implement it, to provide good roads, transportation, water supply, electricity, education, market, and health facilities, to maintain cleanliness by providing good sewage system and disposal of urban waste, granting permission to build structures, maintenance of local buildings and properties, registration of births and deaths, to provide parks, sports, and entertainment facilities, to improve the living conditions in the slum areas by providing facilities, to establish orphanages, old age homes, beggar colonies, juvenile homes, and child welfare centers. These are all about the functions of urban local bodies. Question number 5. Write a note on city corporation. The city corporation or Mahanagara Palikes are formed in the areas with more than 2 lakh population and an income of more than rupees 1 crore. The members of the city corporations are called corporators. The number of corporators in the corporation is decided on the basis of the population. The number of corporators should not generally be less than 30 and not more than 100. The state government decides the size of the corporation. City is divided into smaller electoral divisions called wards. One corporator is elected from each ward. Corporators are directly elected by the people of that city. Certain seats are reserved to SC, ST, backward classes and women. Besides these elected members, the state government nominates 5 members possessing good experience and knowledge in town planning, health, education, and municipal administration. The term of the corporators is 5 years. The mayor and deputy mayor are the leaders of the corporation. The commissioner is the real executive of the city corporation. These are all about city corporation.